Hey everyone, Matt here, and today I wanted to show you guys this Crock Pot 6-quart slow cooker that we recently got. The other one we had for years and years. It was a lot smaller and didn't have a timer feature or different lid as well, so we wanted something bigger and better, and we're really happy with this one. The first thing I want to show you guys that I really like is the latch here. So you can take this over the side and latch it on both sides here. So once you do that, then if you're making a meal that you're trying to like transport or take somewhere with you, the lid is not going to fall off. So you can latch it in like that. Also on the inside of the lid here, another feature that I really like about this, it has this nice like rubber seal right here. So when it's on there and you latch it down, it gets a really nice and tight seal. And so a lot of the moisture does not leak out from the sides, and it helps, in my opinion, cook the food a little better or quicker, at least for us compared to the last Crock Pot Slow Cooker that we had. And really there's not many buttons on this. It's pretty easy to operate. Simply just turn it on here, low or high, or keep warm. Let's say you wanted to run it on low. You can set the timer right here to start in 30 minutes, different increments, but you can go up to set whatever timer you want. It will start countdown, and then whether you have it on high or low, then it will kick on. So if you are preparing something and leaving in the morning, but you don't want it to start cooking yet, you can set the timer a couple hours later, so then that way it kicks on while you're gone. And then right there, you can simply just turn it off. But overall, we've been really pleased with this slow cooker. Another thing that we really like too is we use those liners inside of our crock pots as much as we can. And the other one we had was not an oval like this. It was just one big taller circle, and the bags, the liners did not fit well inside of that slow cooker, and they fit much better inside of this one. But overall, we're really pleased with this. We use it quite a bit, as you can see there from the inside. So we've been happy with this one. Really pleased with this slow cooker.